I gotta mute the audio. And here we are, first 3300 on my channel. Heard this thing's great. Let's go to the blank floor.
Well, they must have really screwed with it because it runs fine now.
Yeah, it runs fine. This isn't on Forever 21, but this cab design really didn't age well. I mean, look at that. It's just...
Oh, did you see what the floor indicator just did?
What did it just do?
This thing has controller issues. I have a feeling it's not maintained by Schindler. Whoever's maintaining this can't maintain the proprietary equipment.
See if it does it again going up.
Yeah. It may only be going down. Is it just me, or does that indicator have a different font than normal?
I haven't been on that many 3300s, so I can't really say. We'll get out on one, see if we can get to do that again.
Yeah, see if we can do it again. No. Huh. As you can hear, we ride it enough and it starts to have issues.
Yeah. That's it.